Hey guys, check out this new Galaxy S24 Plus updates. Let's begin with the display. As we all know, Samsung manufactures its own displays that are used in its devices and also supplies to other brands such as Apple. Samsung usually only puts the top of the line display on their S-series phones while giving older models with last year's tech to other brands. According to South Korean news, Samsung will be releasing a 13th gen OLED panel for the whole S24 range. The new display panel not only reduces the thickness of the device and is more energy efficient but also provides improved image quality. Interestingly, the forthcoming iPhone 15 Ultra will feature 12th gen OLED panels of Samsung which have already been used in the Z Fold 5 series. This new Samsung display panel, the M13, will be used in Apple's phones but it won't be available until the iPhone 16. Now what's impressive is that the regular S24 and S24 Plus will also have the same 2500 nits of peak brightness similar to the Ultra phone, so no disparity in the display across all three variants. Do note that these new displays are not just bright but also thinner, produce vibrant colors and are more energy efficient, so they don't consume as much battery as the current displays. Now here is the best part, Samsung isn't just bringing brighter display, they are also employing the Plus variant with a higher resolution panel. That's right, the Galaxy S24 Plus will have a QHD Plus resolution for the first time in 3 years. The last time we saw QHD Plus resolution in a Plus phone was the S20 Plus. So instead of 2340 by 1080 pixels, the S24 Plus phone will have a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, the same as the S24 Ultra, which is about time. We have been asking Samsung to stop treating non-Ultra S phones as some sort of second-class phones. Glad that the company finally listened. As we know, the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be made of a durable material called titanium. Although titanium is denser than aluminium, the S24 Ultra will be lighter in weight than its predecessor, demonstrating remarkable engineering. Meanwhile, there will be two versions of the S24, the regular S24 and the S24 Plus. These two S24 will not feature the super strong titanium as it costs too much to use. But don't worry, they will still look little different. Yes, according to a reliable leaker iSuniverse, both the S24 and S24 Plus will have flat frames as opposite to the slightly curved external frame seen on the S23. To make things clear, the frames won't be flat like the iPhone 14s. On the other hand, it's similar to how the latest Samsung foldable smartphone, the Z Flip 5, looks now. Also, iSuniverse has made the render of the S24 Plus based on the information from the supply chain and it looks absolutely amazing with those rare thin bezels. In case you missed it, the S24 Plus will also have a 4900 mAh battery, just 100 less than S24 Ultra. The same LTPO display technology as the Ultra and a flat frame. Now at this point we all know that Samsung is using an Exynos CPU and will introduce Exynos 2400 in some markets with the S24 series. Now some details have come regarding the CPU specs. As per the iSuniverse, the Cortex A520 efficiency core in the Exynos 2400 chip will run at a higher frequency than 1.8 GHz. Namely, the high-frequency 4-core Cortex A520 cluster will operate at high frequency of 1.95 GHz instead of 1.8. The source claims these specifications are 100% correct. So apart from the camera and S Pen, the S24 Plus will be almost identical to the S24 Ultra, which is awesome. All in all, the S24 lineup is bringing some huge hardware upgrades. So what do you think about this S24 Plus? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.